Welcome to your lesson in hip key to cross back. So this is a really neat way to transition from a hip key on one silk into cross back, but without foot locks. So you'll climb with split silks and we'll do a hip key on one side. I'm showing the right side. So split silks, hip key. Now once I'm in my hip key, I grab the free silk and toss it over my thigh. I dance my legs around and scoop up the silk with my left leg, egg beat and invert over. I know, fancy pants. Okay, and then coming out of it, lifting up and then unwind your wraps. All right, so let's see that again in slow motion. Here we go. So from my hip key, making sure the silk is truly up and over your lower back, so lifting the outside leg up high. Now this part can be tricky to figure out which is which. You want to make sure the free silk, the one that you're not hip keyed on, that's the one you toss over to the opposite side with your bottom hand. Now watch my leg pathway here. My left leg scoops between the silks, big straddle, lift the legs, egg beat one time, and then right away inverting over. Making sure your hips are pressing forward into the silks in your straddle position, and then getting out of it, grabbing, lifting the chest, and unwinding your wraps. And of course, you can get creative once you're in your crossback straddle and go into other things. Okay, let's do it one more time in regular speed. Here we go. Hip key on one silk. Make sure it's the free silk that you toss over to your opposite side. Now watch my leg pathway here. I let it fall off and then I scoop it up with my left leg. Egg beat and over. Release into your crossback. Grabbing the poles, unwinding your wraps, and you are out. All right, so this one may take some practice, but it's a really nifty way to transition from hip key to crossback.